like coffee shops?
I love coffee shops
Why?
because everything feels possible in a coffee shop.
What do you mean?
I mean, you sit down, you have your coffee, and suddenly you feel like you can do anything.
That is the most poetic thing I have ever heard about coffee.
Thank you. I feel strongly about coffee.
Welcome, everyone, to Easily Speak English. I am Tom.
And I am Grace. And today we are going somewhere.
We are going to a coffee shop in English.
Not just talking about a coffee shop. We are actually going to walk in, order, sit down, and have a full conversation. All in English.
Everything you need to know, every phrase, every word, every awkward moment.
Yes, every awkward moment too, because those happen, and that is okay.
Let's go.
Okay, you push open the door, you walk in.
The coffee shop is warm. It smells amazing.
There is soft music, people are talking quietly.
And there is a queue, a line of people waiting to order.
You join the queue, you look at the menu on the wall.
And you start to panic a little because there are so many options.
Yes, the menu panic. Very real.
Very real.
Okay, the menu. Let's talk about what you might see.
Espresso. This is a very small, strong coffee. Just a little bit, very concentrated.
Americano. Espresso with hot water added. Bigger, less strong. Latte. Espresso with lots of steamed milk. Creamy, smooth, popular. Cappuccino. Espresso with steamed milk and foam on top. The foam is the best part. Flat white. Similar to a latte, but smaller and stronger. And if you don't drink coffee, there is always tea. Hot chocolate, juice, water.
Nobody will judge you for ordering tea. I promise.
Ha! Nobody judges at all. Order what you want. Okay, you are at the front of the queue. The barista looks at you. What do you say?
Barista. That is the person who makes the coffee. The person behind the counter.
And they ask, "Hi there, what can I get for you?"
And you say, "Hi, could I get a latte, please?"
Could I get? This is the most natural way to order in a coffee shop. Not, I want. Not, give me. Could I get?
Could I get a cappuccino, please? Could I get an Americano? Could I get a hot chocolate?
Simple, polite, natural. Say it out loud right now.
Could I get a latte, please?
Perfect. Do it. Say it. Your mouth needs to practice. After you order, the barista might ask some questions.
Question 1. What size would you like?
Sizes are usually small, medium, and large. Or in some coffee shops, tall, grande, venti.
You say, medium, please, or large, please. Easy.
Question 2. Would you like any milk alternatives?
Milk alternatives are options like oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
If you want regular milk, just say, regular milk is fine. Or just normal milk, please.
Question 3. To have in or to take away?
To have in means you will sit inside the coffee shop. To take away means you will take your coffee and leave.
To have in, please. Or to take away, please.
Short answers. Simple. Nobody needs a long explanation. Just to have in, please.
After you order, you pay.
The barista will tell you the price. That is $4.50, please.
$4.50 means £4.50, or $4.50, or €4.50.
You can say, "Here you go," as you hand over the money or card.
Here you go. Very natural phrase. You say it when you give something to someone.
And the barista might say, "Do you have a loyalty card?"
A loyalty card is a card that collects points. You buy coffee, you get points, later you get a free coffee.
If you don't have one, just say, No, I don't. Or, not today, thanks.
Simple, short, perfect.
In many coffee shops, after you pay, you wait for your coffee.
The barista will call your name, or call a number, or just put the coffee on the counter.
And they might say, "What name is it for?"
And you say your name. Grace.
Tom.
Simple names work best. Easy to hear, easy to spell.
And when they call your name, you go up and collect your coffee.
Collect means go and get it. Pick it up. Take it.
Thank you, you say. And they say, enjoy.
Enjoy. Very common. Very warm. It means, I hope you like it.
Okay, you have your coffee. Now you need a seat.
You look around the coffee shop.
You see a free table near the window.
Perfect. You walk over, you sit down.
But sometimes the coffee shop is busy, and you need to ask.
You see someone sitting alone at a table for two. One seat is empty.
You walk over and say, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
Is this seat taken means, is someone sitting here? Is someone using this chair?
If the seat is free, they say, "No, go ahead." Or, "No, it's free. Please sit down."
Go ahead. You hear this again because go ahead is one of the most useful phrases in English.
Go ahead means, yes, please do it. It is fine. I give you permission.
Go ahead and sit. Go ahead and order. Go ahead and ask your question.
Okay, now the nice part. You are sitting, coffee in front of you, and maybe the person next to you starts talking. Or maybe you start talking. Let's practice. I am sitting alone. Grace comes and sits nearby. Scene starts. Oh, finally a seat. It is so busy today, isn't it?
Right? I've been coming here for years and I have never seen it this full.
Really? Is it usually quieter?
Much quieter, especially on weekday mornings. Today must be something special. Or everyone just needs coffee on a Tuesday. That is probably it. Are you working or just taking a break?
Just a break. I needed to get out of the house.
I completely understand that feeling.
End of scene. Short, natural, real.
Let's look at what happened there.
First, finally a seat. The word finally shows relief. You waited, you wanted this. Finally it happened.
It is so busy today, isn't it? Shared observation. We talked about this with strangers. You comment on something you both experience.
I have been coming here for years. Present perfect. Talking about something that started in the past and is still true now.
Today must be something special. Must here shows assumption. I believe something special is probably happening.
Or everyone just needs coffee on a Tuesday. The word just here shows casualness. A relaxed, casual explanation.
I completely understand that feeling. This is empathy. I hear you. I feel the same way. I understand.
Okay, let's talk about food. Because coffee shops usually have food too.
Sandwiches, salads, cakes, pastries, muffins.
And the phrases for ordering food are the same as coffee.
Could I also get a blueberry muffin, please?
Also. That word also means in addition to what I already ordered.
Could I also get? Very useful when you want to add something to your order.
And if you want to know what something is, you ask, "Sorry, what is in this?"
What is in this means what are the ingredients? What does it contain?
Very useful if you have allergies, or if you just don't recognize something on the menu.
What is in this? Nobody minds this question. They will always tell you.
Sometimes you need something extra. Some things you might need to ask for.
More napkins, a spoon, a straw, some sugar,
A glass of water?
And you say, "Excuse me, could I get some napkins, please?"
Excuse me, could I get a spoon, please?
"Excuse me, could I have some sugar, please?"
Notice, could I get and could I have both work. Both are polite, both are natural.
And always start with, "Excuse me." It gets attention politely, without being rude.
Excuse me is one of the most important phrases in English. Learn it. Use it everywhere.
Okay, sometimes things go wrong, even in a coffee shop.
Your order is wrong. You asked for oat milk, and they gave you regular milk.
Or your coffee is cold, or you got the wrong size. What do you say? You say, "Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake with my order. I think there might be a mistake." Soft, polite, not angry, not accusatory. You don't say, "This is wrong." You don't say, "You made a mistake." You say, "I think there might be a mistake." It keeps everything friendly. And they will fix it. Almost always. People in coffee shops want you to be happy. And if they fix it, you say, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." I really appreciate it means I am genuinely grateful. Thank you sincerely. Okay, you have finished your coffee. You have had a lovely time. Now, you leave.
If you were at a table, you take your cup to the counter. Or leave it if there's a sign that says, "Leave your cups here."
And as you leave, if the barista sees you, they might say, "Have a good one."
Have a good one means have a good day. Casual, friendly, very natural.
And you say, "You too. Thanks."
You too. Short, warm, perfect.
And you walk out. Coffee done. English practiced. Day better.
Day always better after a coffee shop.
Okay, quick review. All the phrases from today. For ordering. Could I get a latte, please? Medium, please. To have in, please. For paying. Here you go. No, I don't have a loyalty card. For finding a seat. Is the seat taken? No, go ahead. For conversation. It is so busy today, isn't it? I completely understand that feeling. For asking for extras. Excuse me, could I get some napkins, please? For problems. I think there might be a mistake with my order. For leaving. Have a good one. You too. That is everything you need for any coffee shop in any English-speaking country in the world.
Listeners, here is your challenge.
Next time you are at a cafe or coffee shop, anywhere, order in English.
Even if it is not an English-speaking country.
Practice the phrases. Say them out loud, just to yourself if you have to.
Could I get a latte, please? Medium, please. To have in, please.
Say it in the car. Say it at home. Say it in the mirror.
And when you feel ready, say it in a real coffee shop.
Write in the comments. What is your coffee order in English? Just practice. Right now. Write it below.
Could I get a... Please. Fill in your order. We want to see.
Tom, what is your coffee order?
Large, flat white. No sugar, to have in. Always.
Every time?
Every single time. I found my order years ago and I never changed it.
Huh. I like that. Commitment.
What about you, Grace?
Oat milk latte. Medium. Sometimes with a cinnamon sprinkle on top.
Fancy.
A little fancy. I think we all deserve a little fancy sometimes.
I think you are right.
Thank you so much for joining us at Easily Speak English today.
If today helped you, please give this video a like. Share it with someone learning English.
And subscribe for a brand new episode every single week.
Take care, everyone. Go get your coffee in English.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.